Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to log in into the Commerzbank Mobile App quickly and securely. First, unlock your phone, find the Commerce Mobile Bank app, and then tap to open it. After that, on the login screen, type your username and then your password or your PIN. After that, make sure everything is correct. Now, enter your online banking PIN. Be careful and avoid typing mistakes. Next, tap the login button. After that, if required to approve the login using photoTAN or biometric verification. Now you'll access your account. Enable biometric login for faster access next time. That's how to log in into the Commerzbank app, mobile app. Like and subscribe for more bank